Ready to turn your space into a dazzling haven this New Year's Eve? Are you curious about how to create a party vibe that's both classy and unforgettable? Stay tuned because I'm revealing the best tips, tricks, and must-haves for perfect New Year's Eve decor. How can you create a unique theme for New Year's Eve? Themes make your party stand out and leave lasting impressions. Here are some trendy ideas. 1. Great Gatsby Glam. Use feathers, pearls, and Art Deco patterns to channel the 1920s. 2. Winter Wonderland. White and silver accents with frosted decor transport guests to a dreamy, icy world. 3. Masquerade Ball. Offer stylish masks at the entrance and use rich colors like emerald and purple. Drop a comment below and tell us which theme you'd choose for your New Year's bash. How can you create an unforgettable entrance for your party? A striking entrance sets the tone for an unforgettable evening. Here's how to nail it. 1. Balloon arches. Create a grand entrance with metallic balloon arches featuring gold, silver, and black. 2. Welcome sign. A custom New Year's welcome sign with fairy lights adds charm. 3. Confetti station. Greet your guests with a fun confetti toss or poppers as they walk in. Shop the products featured in this video. Links in the description below. How do you decorate tables for New Year's Eve? Table decor is where your creativity shines. Here's how to wow your guests. 1. Layered tablecloths. Use metallic runners over black or white tablecloths for a sophisticated look. 2. Mini countdown favors. Place small clocks or mini champagne bottles at each setting as a playful touch. 3. Elegant centerpieces. Use a mix of candles, greenery, and metallic ornaments for a polished centerpiece. Hit the subscribe button to get more decor ideas for every occasion. What are the must-have decorations for a classic New Year's Eve party? A successful New Year's Eve party starts with timeless decorations that set the mood. These essentials are must-haves. 1. Glitter and metallic accents. Incorporate gold, silver, and black into your decor, with balloons, streamers, and tableware. These colors scream New Year's elegance. 2. Fairy lights and candles. Dim the overhead lights and let twinkling fairy lights and candles create a magical ambiance. 3. Countdown clock centerpiece. A clock motif for your centerpiece or wall reminds everyone of the midnight countdown. Don't forget to like and share this video if you're loving these classic ideas so far. What are budget-friendly New Year's Eve decor ideas? Celebrating in style doesn't have to break the bank. Try these cost-effective solutions. 1. DIY photo booth. Set up a corner with tinsel backdrops, printed props, and a ring light for Instagram-worthy snaps. 2. Repurpose holiday decor. Use leftover Christmas ornaments and fairy lights to save money and effort. 3. Printable banners and signs. Download free New Year's templates to create personalized banners or table labels. Add this video to your playlist for future party planning inspiration. Check the description for details. What lighting options work best for a New Year's Eve party? The right lighting can transform your venue into a festive paradise. 1. String lights. Hang them from the ceiling or drape them across walls for a cozy, inviting glow. 2. LED light-up balloons. These add a fun and modern touch to your party atmosphere. 3. Projection lights. Use New Year-themed patterns to cast moving lights onto walls or ceilings. Watch more similar videos. Check the description for ideas you'll love. Now that you have all the inspiration for an epic New Year's Eve celebration, it's time to get creative and make your party unforgettable. Whether it's a glam theme, interactive elements, or elegant lighting, the key is to reflect your style and have fun with it. Cheers to a sparkling new year ahead.